Hi, I'm Jessica. Welcome to my travel channel.
Hi everyone. This is Jessica and I am here to take you through the stunning beach walk tour at Mijas Beach. Please give this video a like if you enjoyed this beautiful tour and leaving a comment will be really appreciated. So without further ado, let's get started. Walking through the golden sands of this sunny beach, it's hard to imagine the beauty of the Mediterranean Sea could get any better. Looking out ahead, the swells and glimmering waters gently caress the shoreline, creating a unique microcosm that's constantly shifting and transforming. As I take a deep breath, I'm instantly reassured in the knowledge that here, I can truly unwind, relax, and bask in the warmth of the sun. The boardwalks here make this beach all the more enjoyable as I take a leisurely walk along them, the spellbinding view of the waves and seagulls in the distance filling the air. And if that's not enough, you can find some of the tastiest seafood restaurants around these parts, where you can savor the exquisite flavors and fragrances of the Mediterranean for an unforgettable experience. As I make my way up the gentle slopes of these majestic hills, I'm immersed in a sea of vibrant colors, as deep blues and fiery oranges create a unique and unforgettable landscape that almost feels like something out of a fairy tale. And when the sun sets, the entire sky lights up in a dazzling array of pinks and purples, inspiring amazement and wonder in anyone lucky enough to be here. It's simply indescribable in its beauty. Overall, if you're looking for a place to sit back, relax, and untangle from the worries of your daily life, then Mijas Beach should be on top of your list. Trust me, when you come here, you'll never want to leave. If you have liked what you have seen here, then please subscribe to my YouTube channel for more amazing tour videos like this. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you next time.
Thank you for watching. Subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video. Bye!